and investing in Hao Hung Company Limited was established on March 16 to seaports and afforestation, among other areas. After 20 years of development, Hao Hung has established numerous companies, factories, warehouses, and ports from the north to the south of Vietnam. All of these facilities are strategically positioned nationwide to provide export services for goods to many countries. One of these is Hao Hung Long An, a factory specializing in the production of plywood and other plywood products, such as acoustic wall panels. The factory is located in Quang Nai, covering an area of 37,020 square meters and employing more than 170 staff members. The plywood production process involves many meticulous and detailed steps. Advanced machinery and automated production lines are used, all supervised rigorously by experienced technicians to ensure high-quality products that meet specific customer requirements. HHLA plywood is widely used in everyday life, particularly in design, construction, and woodworking for interior applications. The plywood meets the CARB P2 standards and has FSC certification, ensuring it meets various aesthetic, high application needs while being effective and durable over time. It is particularly safe for users' health and environmentally friendly.